received an out of storage message on your Gmail. I'm gonna explain for you how to fix this into a very simple and fast method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Gmail and review the upper right corner of your screen. You're gonna be able to find a photo of your account, click on it and click on Manage Your Google Account. You're gonna be able to see these options right here. Review the left sidebar of menus and click on Data and Privacy. Believe me, you're gonna save a lot of space, okay? Scroll down until you find the Google Services right here. Google Dashboard, manage your content saved on Google Services. As you may know or not, Google have a single account for every single Google services. So YouTube, Gmail, Google Photos, Agenda, and other options like Docs, for example, it's all, and Drive, for example, it's all on the same account. So in the case that you want to free space on Gmail, you're gonna need to compress some files on Photos or delete some files on Google Drive. But let's focus into the simplest way, okay? Into Photos, I have 8,000 plus photos. Click on Settings, okay? Then you're gonna be able to see this first option right here. Backup quality of your photos, original quality or storage savers. Store more at slightly reduced quality. So in the case that you don't care much about the quality for your backups, you can change the option right here, okay? After doing this is already gonna save you a lot of space, but go to Manage Storage, okay? Scroll down just a little bit and you're gonna be able to find Recover Storage. Convert existing photos and videos to storage saver. Click on Learn More. Recover some storage by switching existing photos and videos if possible with original quality to storage saved quality. You can learn more if you click right here. You're gonna be able to open an article about it so you can learn more with useful links. Doesn't affect these storage out Google, okay? You can click on Understand and Compress. This process can be undone, so make sure that you are okay with reducing the quality of your photos, images, okay, or videos. It's normal, Google won't destroy your images, but in the case that you care about every pixel, I recommend that you just buy more storage. But if not, you can click right here and compress it all, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!